grabbing a leg, someone's grabbing a thigh, right? Someone's got to hold me here. Someone's got to press me down here on the shoulders. Come on, get in here. What are you doing? Okay? So.
Oh wait, who are the people who didn't see the gearbox?
Me.
So when you hold me, you want your hands, just look at me. You want your hands like on Jesus right now, like this. Okay? Like you're going to squeeze in this way.
Your shoulders, you're going to squeeze in. Okay, you come and grab the hand.
So, and push down on my shoulder, right? You can grab my forearm if you want. Yeah, okay? So, yeah, and squeeze. Right, everybody, don't let me move, right? So you got me, right? So now, okay, someone's pushing against me. You're pushing me over. Okay, so just hold me in place. Don't let me move. Okay, so I'm here. So now, when I create the power, right? Hold squeeze on it, right? You feel the power transferring. You feel things rotating, right? Because I can't move like this, right? This is what we're doing, right? So this is all power, the gearbox. Can you create that power?
I saw
Feel the difference.
connections.
It's so funny, it's knocking me over, I'm holding this.
So we want a chance to, my fingers got tired.
So whoever didn't do it the other day, do it.
We get in position, we all hold you and you try to move. Yeah.
My foot, you would feel my feet doing all kinds of stuff. Hold them on the calf. Yeah.
I'm holding on, see.
Yeah, actually.
That's wrong.
Somebody grab me, yeah.
Just give them a second.
Hey, you want to grab something?
Yeah, I want to go.
Somebody, wait, somebody gotta grab his waist.
Go in and.
His upper arm, he's in. We can't go in.
Straight man, it's like.
Were they handcuffs on? No.
It's crazy what that feels like, right?
Yeah.
Crazy what that feels like. Yes, Ron?
Yeah.
This is the machine he wants me to make. You completely fixed, you can't move. Once there, you can't move, you can only create a rotation.
One more victim.
Oh, wow.
All right.
You did. That's okay.
You did it.
Yeah, those two also.
I need to put my hand out.
Assume
Somebody grab
position.
the,
Shoulders,
somebody grab the waist.
go ahead and hold in place.
And she's doing circles, positive circles, right?
Step on the foot.
Oh, I cracked. I'm done.
Why are you picking up shoulders so much?
All right, it's your turn then.
I did already last time.
You do it.
Yeah, I'm supposed to do.
Don't worry, come.
What am I supposed to?
Right, they're doing a positive circle, right?
I can't do those normally.
Doesn't matter.
Now you're gonna be even less able to do
Oh,
it.
I love that. Dang, my shoulders.
Somebody grab the side.
Get better stance. Get better stance.
Waist, somebody's got a waist.
Oh,
Waist, shoulders, look at
you
your
have my
shoulders.
waist.
Head. Head.
When you ran?
Oh, somebody,
Head.
oh no, just, yeah, somebody goes like,
Yeah.
Side of the neck.
Then I do
head,
this.
head.
I really have what I'm supposed to do.
Do positive circle.
Positive
But we're checking your movement, so,
So try to do
Try
that.
that without.
And don't withdraw the,
no,
don't throw your
yeah,
elbow in,
Okay,
just spiraling. Nope,
Don't
don't throw the
pull.
arm in,
Try to keep the hand here.
okay.
and just let them.
So, you rotate this way.
Yep.
Now, rotate it the other way. Right? Don't let her arm move. So watch, let me get it in. Good, not bad. Not bad. Got some power in the arm.
He's moving a little bit.
You probably have some bruises on your arm tomorrow.
Who's left?
Come on, you should try.
Come on, Mom.
I'm not even gonna know what to do, but okay.
Think I know what I'm doing?
I think I'll do it.